Welcome back to the channel. Update on the 68. I've been working on it a lot. So, here's where it is. Just finished paint this week. We've been pinstriping today and putting everything back together. And I got it outside so I could wash it. And I thought I'd give you guys a little tour. 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hurst Tribute. 442. We repaired about 20 various areas of rust on the car. So she's all sealed up. It is officially almost 100%, I'd say 99% rust free. There are a couple little bubbles and little areas that I did not fix because I didn't want to take the whole car to bare metal. Most of it in the side over here, but other than that, it's pretty close. So I thought I'd give you guys a tour. I'm not a professional paint and body guy by any means. As a matter of fact, I kind of suck at it. I'm humble enough to admit that, but I tried. I think it looks okay. The paint looks equal to when it came in here. It wasn't perfect when it came in, and it's not perfect when it's leaving, but I think it looks pretty sweet. I'm pretty happy with it. I like the way we extended the stripes and we brought the black up a little bit more and we brought it up around the windows a little bit more. I think it turned out really slick. It's fine. It's just my toe. Other than that, we're moving on to performance stuff. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if we've seen under the hood. It's a 455 cubic inch, but then today he said it was a 461. So basically one thing we have to fix. This is embarrassing, whoever did this to this car and butchered the wiring on here. I got to fix that. So I already got a guy, I got a guy for that. Aaron's Automotive in Stevens Point, Wisconsin. He's my wiring tech guy. He's really good at that stuff. I can't say enough. He did a hell of a good job on Bloody Mary, my 73 Monte Carlo. I had all kinds of problems with the lights and dash lights, tail lights. Nothing really wanted to work properly, and the car didn't want to run right. Choke didn't work. So I sent it over to Aaron. He found a bunch of frayed wires in the harness, fixed them all up, soldered them all in. It looked really clean, really nice. So that's what we're going to do with this one. We're going to send it over to Aaron and have him hook up the wiring. I'm going to go through the Quadrajet, which looks like it's brand new. He said the choke's not hooking up. It doesn't want to start. It doesn't want to idle. And it doesn't want to charge the battery. It's got to draw. So we got all kinds of cool stuff to fix mechanically to get this thing so it's turnkey. So that's the goal. This is a driver, not a show car. We don't build show cars over here. We don't do restorations. This is a freaking hot rod. I got the seats back in. I got the carpet back in. I am going to make a new piece of dash for it because there's supposed to be like a wood bezel on there. Yeah. Looks super sick. Super sick. My garage is a complete disaster right now. Like, I can't even explain to you. Dude, this car, number one, is really too big for my garage. And number two, I have too much other stuff in here. But it is a shot show over here in this freaking thing. It's all cramped, all this crap everywhere. So the first thing we're doing when we get this car done is cleaning my garage. Yeah, we got all the mats back in. We refinished the trunk and we got new seat belts and all the essentials. It's not my best work, I would say. I could do better. But for what I have here in this dimly lit, you know, painted in the driveway shop kind of stuff here, I think it looks pretty slick. What do you guys think? Fucker just looks mean. So, yep, next I got a lot of work. I gotta buff it and polish it and get it looking really nice. Clean all the wheels, put the interior back in, and then get it running really good and stuff. So stay tuned. I'll be back in a couple more days or maybe a couple more hours. You'll have to subscribe to find out.